Number 24. The product of two consecutive negative integers is 42. Find the larger integer. Let x be the smaller negative number. If x is the smaller negative number, the next consecutive integer is going to be 1 bigger than that. So you'd have x plus 1. That'll be your next integer. Now they say the product of two consecutive negative integers is 42. So if the product is 42, you're going to multiply these two numbers together. So you're going to start off with x, and you're going to multiply it by x plus 1, and you're going to come up with 42 as the product. So x times x plus 1 equals 42. Now x times x is x squared, and x times 1 is x. And that equals 42. Now if we subtract 42 from both sides of the equation, you end up with x squared plus x minus 42 equals 42 minus 42, which is 0. Now if we factor this, we're going to have x plus a number and x minus a number. We want the two factors of 42 that add together to give you 1. So we'll have x plus 7 and x minus what? 7 times 6 is 42. And 7 minus 6 is 1, which is the coefficient of x. You have a 1x there. You have x squared plus 1x minus 42. This product of x plus 7 times x minus 6 equals 0. So using the product rule, we can split this into two equations where x plus 7 equals 0 or x minus 6 equals 0. If x plus 7 equals 0, then x is going to be minus 7. If x minus 6 equals 0, then adding 6 to both sides, we have x equal to 6. Now since we want the product of two consecutive negative integers, we're not going to use a plus 6. We're going to use the negative 7. Negative 7 is your first negative integer. 1 bigger than negative 7 is 1 to the right of negative 7 on a number line. So x plus 1 will be negative 7 plus 1, which will be minus 6. That is the larger integer. You have negative 7 times negative 6, which is 42, and the larger of the two integers is negative 6.